Hey everybody, George the Tech. Well, I was traipsing through Burbank near the airport and I had a piece of gear in the back of my car that needed looking after. So I thought, why not stop by my friends at Audio Rehab, a shop I haven't been to before because, well, frankly, it's just kind of far from me, but I happen to be in the area, so let's go on in and say hi to the folks at Audio Rehab and see what they're working on right now. Come on in, don't mind if I do. Oh yeah, I can smell the electronics. Good morning, how are you? Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Scott, George. Pretend you don't know me. No, Scott.
With the Rogue Journeyman shirt on, I don't know you at all.
Scott and I are mountain biking buddies. But hey, what's going on here, guy? What are you guys working on?
Everything.
What are your specific? Do you guys have niches, or if you guys bring it in, you'll work on it?
For the most part,
well, we're a service center for Yamaha, Ampeg, Marshall, Nord, Eden.
A lot of audio, a lot of musical instruments.
Oh yeah,
as well as
all pro.
the audio gear.
No home hi-fi, no
hi-fi. Okay.
Nothing.
So you stay in the pro audio realm.
That's right.
Very cool. And how many of you are working on in this place?
There's myself and Scott.
And you guys get along?
absolutely.
We never talk to each other. We're too busy working.
Exactly. I'm in here just to distract you for a little while, to keep you from fixing. Whoever's watched this video right now and your stuff's on his bench, I apologize for keeping you waiting. And who's this guy?
That's Ginger.
Hey, Ginger. How's it going? Some of the vendors you repair for.
We're the National Service Center for Avalon.
Oh, excellent.
National Service Center for Antelope.
Oh yeah, Antelope Audio.
Right.
Yeah. All those other companies I mentioned, also Yamaha and what other companies? So many.
Yeah.
I mean, we do even
Allen and Heath.
Allen and Heath. Oh yeah.
Kettner.
Music Gunner, yeah.
Very nice.
We also service, stuff as far back from the 40s and 50s, old tube gear.
Oh, far out.
You can see there's a mini move.
Mini move. We got Neve channels over here, and that.
Another thing is these guys repair MKH 416s, the venerable 416 microphones so many of you voice actors use. Here's actually a shop in LA that does the repairs, and this guy trained at Sennheiser repairing that microphone. He knows the RF microphones. So Scott is your man for repairing 416s. You don't have to go to Sennheiser. You can come right to Audio Rehab. What's your website?
AudioRehab.com.
AudioRehab.com. So they can just mail it into you and you guys will ship it back.
Yeah.
Awesome.
There's a repair form on there, credit card authorization form, everything you need.
Fantastic. That's a cool piece of little tidbit, because a lot of voice actors don't have a lot of this discrete analog tube gear, but they have one of those mics.
Just touching it.
Show me what's going on in your bench, Scott.
Got an old Yamaha O2R. That was having power supply issues.
An O2R, and you say old, I mean, we're talking 20 plus years, right?
Yep.
When did this board come out? In like the late 90s?
Had to be, yeah.
Yeah. I'm amazed people are still wanting to repair these. But I guess once it's
a lot of people, when they get something in their studio that works and it just becomes like part of the workflow, they just keep working.
Yeah.
And if the gear keeps working, then there's no need to change it if they're getting good results. Yep. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we got.
Is that like is that sort of like the house mixer?
Yeah, we have lines running over to each bench so we can spread the radio signal around for stuff we don't test with, like sine waves or the audio precision. And
right on. What are your main pieces of gear you're at all day long? This scope?
Yeah, the scope, basic sine wave generator.
Mm-hmm.
We've got the audio precision over there for calibrating like Avalons and stuff. We also have a Prism audio D scope. That we also use with Avalon.
That?
To really.
Some 11.
Those are clones.
Clone 1176s. Yeah. Which there are many of.
Yep.
One of the most cloned pieces of gear ever.
Yeah, we get a lot of those in from the studios in town. Just the originals. DBX 160s we get a pile of all the time.
Oh yeah. There's just certain gear in history that
standard classic gear.
Yeah.
That's. Then we have our.
You're benching an API over here. 4-channel pre.
Yeah.
Great pieces of gear.
Channels are out according to the customer, but actually there are many channels out. Like all 4 channels.
Like all 4. So the most common issues on gear like this is mostly power supply in most cases, or
no.
It could just be capacitors in general going bad.
Yeah, in any part of the circuit.
Yeah.
Not just the power supply, but yeah.
Yeah.
And the switches.
So
The switches,
that's
mechanical things go bad.
Yeah.
Electrolytic capacitors. Now, when electrolytic capacitors dry out, do you replace them with electrolytics again? Because that's what was originally in the circuit. You don't mess around.
No, we
and
don't
change
do
parts.
many mods at all.
Gotcha.
We do use capacitors that are far superior quality
Right.
than the original, usually in most
Right.
cases.
They'll have a lot more
I'll show you one that
better life.
blew up. I have a sample.
This is one that blew it up real good.
Here's a.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, look at the size of those puppies.
Doesn't that look great? It used to look like
How many
this.
watts of power supply was this? Must have been 200 watts or at least.
Yeah, probably 100. Maybe.
That
Yeah,
must have
look at
been
that.
really loud when that let go.
Pow. Pow and smoke. Yeah. Now, why does an electrolytic capacitor fail? What is it inside that?
Well, the dielectric inside of it just either dries up or
dries up.
it could be the wrong voltage.
Yeah.
It goes short.
Yeah.
Wrong voltage hits it.
Very cool. Well, hey guys, I really appreciate you letting me, snoop around. We are on camera, and it's been really fun. Scott, good seeing you again.
You too, George.
You coming out on Saturday? You think?
Yes, I am.
Oh, good. I
I'll
will
be there.
see you on Saturday with my new BMC, which is fast.
I saw.
I'm ripping on that bike. Thanks, Greg.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Thank you,
It's been
George.
fun. Anyway, this is George the Tech on the road here in Burbank at Audio Rehab. See you guys later.
All right.